Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. So if you're also wondering how to do so, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. Open up the Snapchat application for that and you can look out for the profile icon in the top left corner of the camera screen and tap on it to access it up. Now from your profile screen right here, what you need to do is basically look out for the gear icon in the top right corner and select it. And that should give you access to your Snapchat settings. From the given options, you may just scroll down and look out for the option of Bitmoji. So if you can't find it here, tap on this option called My Account. If not there as well, you may scroll down and find this option for App and Privacy and select the option of My App. Once you tap on My App, here you'll be finding different options. You can look out for this option called Customize Appearance and select the option of Bitmoji from here. After you tap on Bitmoji, you should be finding different options to change your outfit, edit your Bitmoji itself, and choosing a selfie. You need to select this option called Unlink My Bitmoji and tap on it. After you tap on it, you just need to confirm this up, tap on Remove. And once you tap on Remove, the Bitmoji should be removed. And that's it. That should remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. And that should do it for you. So that is it everybody. You may follow up this method if you'd like to do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.